Good oral health is an important part of good overall health. Traditional oral hygiene practice such as brushing with a toothbrush or electric brush, or flossing are far from enough to fix the complex oral problems today. XWAVES is here to strive for providing customers with effective products and attentive service with a deep understanding of leading-edge technology and users' needs. The water flosser has a streamlined and sleek appearance. The lightest 10 oz weight in the industry and more than 100 strict steps of product inspection. Every detail is meticulously designed and engineered, ensuring exceptional product quality. The water flosser boasts effective cleaning effect. The practice has proved that it removes up to 99.9% of plaque between teeth, while brush can only remove 61% residues on the surface of the teeth. With 3 water pressures, low, medium, and high, in one pulse mode, the water flosser covers different needs. The low pressure suits for the people who have sensitive gum line. The medium or high pressures are for deep cleaning between teeth. And the pulse mode gently massages gum line. When using, just to fill the reservoir. Choose a preferred mode and aim the nozzle towards teeth with the mouth partially closed, and then press the on and off button to start. The water flosser is especially suitable for people with braces. The innovative wireless charging base provides quick and hassle-free charge, giving you ultimate convenience. Just place the water flosser on the base to charge. Strictly tested to comply with the IPX7 waterproof standard. The water flosser is reliable to use in the bath or shower. It is also perfect for those who travel a lot, as it is ultra-light and has up to 50-day standby time. XWAVE's consistent mission is to safeguard the oral health of every household, while endeavoring to be one of the most trusted oral care brands in the world.